What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and today I'm back with a must-see update on the crypto market. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so at this point, the crypto market is still just ranging. I feel like I've been repeating myself for like the last 2 weeks, but Bitcoin is still in this cup and handle. This is the cup and this is the handle. And as long as the handle does not lose the trend line, then I'm still going to say that it's intact. Yesterday, we actually had a nice bullish engulfing candle. However, today, right now, we have a bearish engulfing candle. We will have to see where this candle actually closes, though. But I still want to get the point across that Bitcoin actually looks very good right now. And I actually like showing you guys the inverted chart. I think that this adds another element to the situation. So if you look at the inverted version of Bitcoin, it looks like you're forming a rising wedge and you have bearishly retested this trend line like 5 or 6 different times. Not to mention the stochastics would in theory be extremely overbought. If this is how the chart looks right now, I'd be telling you guys that this looks absolutely terrible. Rising wedges also break down 68% of the time. And the fact that you can't get back above the trend line is a telling sign. So that's why when I look at the actual Bitcoin chart, I'm also extremely bullish. I think we look great right now. Do understand that the US inflation rose to 3%, higher than expectations. And this is a big reason that the market was volatile there for a second. But the reason that stuff like this is so fascinating is because there is so much bullish news going on behind the scenes. Even stuff like this, February 12th. Crypto.com receives regulatory approval to provide crypto services to all European Economic Area member states. And there's just constant infrastructure being built for crypto. Not to mention what makes me more bullish than anything right now is the Ethereum chart. It's no secret at this point that everybody loves altcoins. And the reality is that Ethereum is the leading altcoin, especially when it comes to this channel. I talk about a lot of Ethereum projects. And if it's not an Ethereum project, it's a base project, which is a layer 2 on Ethereum. So at the end of the day, it still also is revolved around Ethereum. But the Ethereum chart is why I'm so bullish. So you can see for the first time since September of 2024, Ethereum has extremely oversold stochastics. Let's go back in Ethereum's history and look at every time it's had oversold stochastics. Extremely oversold right here, massive explosion. Extremely oversold right here, massive explosion. Extremely oversold right here, massive explosion. Extremely oversold right here, still a strong breakout. Extremely oversold right here, strong breakout. Oversold here, strong breakout. Oversold right here, explosion. Oversold again, strong breakout. And then the most recent time was an explosion. And again, now we are extremely oversold again. Look at what has happened pretty much every single time we have been extremely oversold. Now, I do want to point out that oftentimes when we are this oversold, it does take several weeks to actually play out. You can see that there are usually several candles consolidating in this range. So don't be shocked if it does take a minute to actually play out. But from a technical analysis standpoint, I would not be shocked at all if we are flying by mid-March. Is that guaranteed to happen? No, it's not, but this is definitely something you should keep your eyes on. Understand that yes, it seems like crypto is bleeding right now, but that can all change in the snap of a finger. And when you look at the crypto fear and greed index, we are actually neutral right now at 50. And over the last few days, we have been fearful. This is actually very good to see. You don't want to be up in that greedy range. And back in October and November, we were up in that 80, 85 range. That's a pretty telling sign that you were going to have a pullback. But again, the crypto fear and greed index doesn't look too bad right now. And if you look at the crypto market in general, you can see that pretty much everything is just following Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have a couple projects like BNB, which are pumping right now. And the Binance Smart Chain actually has insane volume right now. If any of you guys watching this are traders and are interested in volume, then definitely check out BNB's ecosystem. A lot of projects on there are going crazy. But again, you look at Ethereum right now and it's down 4.5% in the last week. And if you actually click on Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum is still down 46% from its all-time high 3 years ago. I want you to actually sit here and ask yourself the question, do you think that Ethereum is ever going to reach all-time highs again? In my opinion, absolutely. I would be very shocked if the second largest crypto never broke all-time highs again. And if that happens, it's going to be extremely bullish for the entire Ethereum ecosystem, especially a lot of the projects that I cover on my channel. If we look at some of these top meme coins like Pepe, you can see that Pepe is retesting these previous August and September levels. And if you look at Ethereum, Ethereum is retesting the same levels. That's why when people ask me about some of these meme coins that are bleeding, I tell them to just look at the Ethereum chart. Because the reality is projects like Pepe, Turbo, Hoppy, Miggles, they are all going to be correlated to Ethereum. If Ethereum pumps, it's going to help the entire Ethereum ecosystem. If it dumps, it's going to hurt the entire ecosystem. Most of the meme coins that we trade on this channel are ERC20s. So naturally, if Ethereum gets a breakout, you could potentially expect Pepe to get a breakout. In my opinion, Pepe is one of the best derivatives to Ethereum. To an extent, it's like a higher leverage bet. All of that being said, though, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early and joining a like-minded community, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we're here during the pumps, we're here during the dumps, we're here for all of it. And as a lot of you guys watching this video already know, we've been making massive gains this entire bull run. My Discord's only 1 year old and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment could have turned into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys think the crypto market is about to break out. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.